The point A 3, 4 is reflected over the x-axis to B. Then B is reflected over the line y equals to x to C. What is the area of triangle ABC? The point A 3, 4 is reflected over the x-axis to B. Then B is reflected over the line y equals to x to C. What is the area of triangle ABC? So, we have been given a point A and we have been told that that particular point is reflected over the x-axis to B. Let us say 3, 4 is here. This is our point A 3, 4. Now whenever a point is reflected over the x-axis, the x coordinate will remain the same, but the y coordinate will change the sign. So coordinates of point B will be 3, -4. So if A is 3, 4, whenever a point is reflected over the x-axis, the x coordinate will remain the same, but the y coordinate will change. Next, then B is reflected over the line y equals to x. How the line y equals to x will be? Y equals to x means the line which is dividing the coordinate axis into two equal parts. Now, if this particular point is reflected over this line y equals to x, what happens is the x coordinate and y coordinates will swap. They will interchange with each other. Then we will get the coordinates of C. So the coordinates of C will be 3, -4. So when you swap them, it is -4, 3. The coordinates of C is -4, 3. Now we have been asked to find out the area of triangle ABC. So let's go ahead and join them. So we have the triangle ABC now. To find out the area of triangle ABC, you can use the area of triangle formula when we know the three coordinates. That logic we can use. Otherwise, we know that one of the sides of the triangle is a vertical line. So we can find out the altitude, which is nothing but the horizontal distance. So we can take the base as AB. So let's write down. We'll consider the base as AB to calculate the area. Area equals to half into base into height. Let us say this is x. That is equals to half into base is AB. Multiply that with height, which is equals to Cx. What will be the coordinates of x? Can we find it out? Cx is on the horizontal line. So it will have the same y coordinate, that is 3. And it is also on vertical line AB. So it will have same x coordinate 3 as AB. AB vertical line, so x will have same x coordinate. Cx is a horizontal line, so C and x will have same y coordinate. Now what is AB? In vertical line, the distance between 2 points is given by difference of their y coordinates. So it will be 4 minus of -4, that is 4 plus 4, and multiply that with Cx, Now horizontal distance is given by difference of x coordinates. So that is equals to x coordinates are 3 comma minus 4. So the difference between them is equals to 3 plus 4. So the area of triangle is equals to half into 8 into 7, which is equals to 28 square units. Let's have a recap of this problem. We have been given that the point A is reflected over the x-axis to point B. Then B is reflected over the line y equals to x to C. What is the area of triangle ABC? Now point A 3 comma 4 reflected over x-axis. Whenever a point is reflected over the x-axis, the x coordinate will remain the same, y coordinate will change. Similarly, if the point is reflected over the y-axis to another point, then y coordinate will remain the same, x coordinate will change the sign. And then the B is reflected over the line y equals to x to C. Whenever a point is reflected over the line y equals to x, the x coordinates and x coordinate and y coordinates will interchange, they will swap. So if A coordinates are 3 comma 4, taking into consideration whatever we discussed, B will be 3 comma minus 4 and C will be minus 4 comma 3. Now we can calculate the area of the triangle by using the formula half into sigma x1 y2 minus x1 into y2 minus y3. We can use that formula. Otherwise, we can leverage that one of the side is a vertical line. If one side is a vertical line, then the altitude will be horizontal line. So we can use basic coordinate geometry, and we know that the distance between AB is difference of y coordinates, and the distance between C and X is difference of x coordinates, because AB is a vertical line, CX is a horizontal line. So the answer is 28 square units.